Alright, now the first thing you do before you put the hitch on, you have to take these off. These are just to if you're towing a vehicle on a flatbed or when it's getting shipped, they use these to hold it down. This is like the main part of the unibody frame, and this is the strongest point of the vehicle, so they'll attach here. These come off, and then you put the new brackets that come with them, which are these. These fit right in place. He's going the same spots. Boop. This is a 15 millimeter. This one here is a 16 millimeter, and that's it. Lefty loosey, pitch it. You don't even need these bolts anymore, so take them off. And this new setup comes with new ones. On this one, I had to take the spare out, which is right here. You go on the inside, drop the spare. This comes down. It's like this. It snugs it up. This is drawn up in there. Take it out from in the trunk, and then you just lift it. Spin this guy right here, and it fits right through. And the spare comes out. Spare right there. Took the brackets off here. On the other side, this should take a little pry bar. Pry this off here. Pry the one off the back of the muffler here. Right here. And the muffler drops down. Boing. So, once that's done, then once it's assembled, I can put it right up to these marks here. And basically just start the bolts in there. Alright, it's assembled. You gotta keep these loose here and here. They're not tight, they're loose. So you want them loose right now, so it's easy to wiggle in there. And set it up in there. Alright, so what you want to do is tighten up these first, and it'll draw it up to the frame better, and then do these secondary. But put them in at least about halfway, and then that way you know you got enough threads to really crank on it. So these first, and it'll bring it up close to the frame, and then these will just help clamp it in there. So 1, 2. These you keep loose, and then that way it makes it where you can line this up easier. Move it around. And if you don't, sometimes the holes, if you just try to draw these up first, these holes won't line up perfectly. So that's all you gotta do, and then cinch it up, and that's about it. Put on there, it's pretty hidden. It's only just that little section sticking out. Everything else is up under there. And then we don't want this. It's right there. Pretty easy. Well, that's another one done.
Oh, whoa. Bright light.